In this video, I'll be reviewing Cimb Bank Personal Loan. So, let's get started. Now, Cimb is a pretty well-known bank across Asia, especially in places like Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. Their personal loans are usually marketed as fast, flexible, and paperwork light. But does this actually live up to that? Let's break down the pros, the cons, and whether it's worth considering, okay? So, the first pro that we have is competitive interest rates. Now, one thing Cimb does pretty well is interest rates. Compared to a lot of other banks, their personal loan rates are often competitive, especially if you've got a decent credit profile. That means you could end up paying less overall instead of watching interest slowly eat away at your money. Then we have fast application process. Now the application process is mostly online and pretty quick. For many people, approval can come faster than traditional banks, which is helpful if you need funds soon and don't want weeks of back and forth paperwork. And lastly, we have flexible loan amounts and tenure. So Cimb usually offers a range of loan amounts and repayment periods. So whether you need a smaller loan for short-term expenses or a bigger one spread over a few years, you've got options instead of being locked into one setup. Now, moving on to the cons, the first con that we have is strict eligibility for some applicants. Now, if your credit score isn't great or your income doesn't meet their criteria, approval can be tough. Some people apply thinking it's easy money only to get rejected or offered less than expected. Then we have the extra fees can apply. So things like processing fees, early settlement charges, or late payment penalties can add up. If you don't read the fine print, the loan might end up costing more than you first thought. And lastly, we have customer service is mixed. Now, some borrowers have smooth experiences while others complain about slow responses or unclear communication once the loan is active. It's not terrible, but it's not consistently great either. Now, what do I think about this company? Now, Sim Bank personal loans are a solid option if you qualify and want competitive rates with the fast application process, but it's not a guaranteed win for everyone. Eligibility can be strict and fees matter. So, if you're considering it, definitely compare offers and read the terms carefully before signing anything. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.